Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So open your Snapchat app. So go to your profile icon on the left corner top. So it was my story already updated. So on the public profile, one thing in remember you when you post your on public profile, you will not seen your who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Remember it, it's a hidden feature. So you when you upload your post on the on your friends, means like private. So when who screenshotted your Snapchat story, you will be able to see. So now I again new post upload to my friends of private uploading. So this is I randomly add to my story of friends customize. So when anyone who take screenshotted my Snapchat story, so I will seen it in the swipe up over right there. So this is it's a hidden feature of. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.